very much. To the leadership and dedicated team of the DOST Metals Industry Research and Development Center led by Engineer Robert Quezon, to our keynote speaker, Mr. Martin Poisson, to the Secretary of the DOST, Secretary Rene Subidum, and my colleagues at the DOST, to all our industry partners, stakeholders, friends from the media, and esteemed guests and participants. Again, good morning and my warmest congratulations on the celebration of the Metals and Engineering Week, especially for today's M&E Industry Forum. With the theme Metals and Engineering in Industry 4.0, Reaching Milestones in Digital Transformation. This forum reflects the Center's unwavering commitment to advancing innovation and assisting in building the technological capabilities of our industries. The Fourth Industrial Revolution calls for a bold and unified approach to digital transformation, where collaboration between government, industry, and academia is crucial. I commend the DOST MIRDC for leading the way to deliver a comprehensive suite of services, including metalworking, testing and calibration, metal casting, service engineering, and industrial training, which support the needs of diverse sectors, from manufacturing firms to academic institutions engaged in research and development. These services not only help improve product quality and production efficiency, but also promote a culture of innovation and technological excellence across industries. Moreover, the MIRDC's advanced facilities serve as an enabler for our micro, small, and medium enterprises, providing access to machinery and specialized equipment that are often financially and logistically out of reach for them. By bridging this technological gap, the DOST MIRDC empowers our MSMEs to enhance their capabilities, increase productivity, and become more competitive in the market. I would also like to give due recognition and honor and express our gratitude to the many business and industry leaders, associations, professional organizations, and other stakeholders for the partnership and support to the DOST MIRDC. We share the MIRDC's accomplishments with you and reaffirm your critical role in shaping MIRDC to what it is now and how it will look in the future. We look forward to further strengthening this collaboration through strategic and focused actions to advance and grow the country's metals, engineering, and allied industries through scientific research, technological innovations, and various services.